Learn Galician fast, as there.
Hay.
And essential travel questions. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your quick, friendly path into Galician. For more tools and transcripts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail travel lifesavers, as there.
Hay.
Where is.
¿Dónde está?
And more, served with jokes, drills, and real lifelines. Your goal today. You focus on crisp, polite questions you can use right away. Say them out loud with me. Is there.
Hay.
Where is.
¿Dónde está?
What is.
¿Qué?
How much does cost?
¿Cuánto custa?
I would like.
Gustaríame.
I need.
Eu necesito.
May I?
¿Puedo?
Can you? Informal.
¿Podes?
Can you? Formal.
¿Pode vostede?
Mini dialogues. Jump into quick scenes, repeat the Galician out loud. At the stop. You, is there a bus to the city?
Hay. Un bus para a cidade?
Local. Yes, there is.
Sí, hay.
Lost in town. You, where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está? O baño?
Local.
Está por ali, segue recto e despois á esquerda.
It's over there, straight then left. Shopping. You, how much does this map cost?
¿Canto custa? Este mapa.
Vendor.
Custa 2 euros.
It costs 2 euros. Cafe order. You, I would like a coffee, please.
Gustaríame. Un café, por favor.
Waiter. Great, anything else? You, thanks.
Grazas.
Permission and help drill. You're polite and powerful, practice permission and help. Echo me. May I?
¿Puedo?
Soft, friendly. Try it. May I sit here?
¿Puedo? ¿Sentar aquí?
Can you, friend?
¿Podes?
Try it. Can you open the window?
¿Podes? Abrir a xanela?
Can you, formal to staff?
Pode vostede?
Try it. Can you print my ticket?
Pode vostede? Imprimir o meu billete?
Needs versus wants. Say what you need first, then be polite about wants. I need water.
Eu necesito. Auga.
I need help now.
Eu necesito. Axuda agora.
I would like a table by the window.
Gustaríame. Unha mesa xunto á ventá.
What is it? Fast definitions. Curious brain mode. Ask for meanings. What is?
Que?
Ask. What is a Compostela?
Que? Unha compostela.
Answer. It's a pilgrim certificate. Ask. What is this?
Que é isto?
Answer. It's your new favorite phrase. Culture tip. Courteous Galicia. A friendly tone opens doors. In Galicia, a warm smile plus please and thanks goes far. Say.
por favor,
and.
gracias,
Use informal.
podes,
With friends and formal.
pode vostede,
With staff, elders, or when in doubt. When checking availability, start with.
aí,
And for directions use.
onde está,
Locals will love your effort. Lightning quiz. Quick fire round, answer, then I reveal it. Q1. Ask in Galician, is there Wi-Fi here? A.
aí, wifi aqui,
Q2. You want a price. How much does this cost? A.
quanto custa, isto,
Q3. You're lost. Where is the station? A.
onde está, a estación,
Q4. You need a break. Say I need to rest. A.
eu necesito, descansar,
Q5. Be super polite to a clerk. Can you help me? A.
pode vostede, axudarme,
Q6. Ask for a definition. What is this? A.
que é isto,
Q7. Order gently. I would like a tea, please. A.
gustaríame, té, por favor,
Q8. Ask a friend. Can you speak more slowly? A.
podes, falar máis a modo,
Q9. Ask permission. May I sit here? A.
podo, sentar aqui,
Challenge time. Now you lead, build your own lines. Scene. You arrive at a museum. Ask where the exit is, then the price of a map. Hints.
onde está, saída,
Plus.
quanto custa, o mapa,
Scene. You're tired and thirsty. Say what you need, then order politely. Hints.
eu necesito, auga,
Plus.
gustaríame, vaso de auga, por favor,
Scene. You're curious about a local word on a sign. Ask what it is, then request help formally. Hints.
que é,
Plus.
pode vostede, explicar-mo,
Thanks and next steps. You crushed it, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
aí, onde está, que é, quanto custa, gustaríame, eu necesito, podo, podes,
And.
pode vostede,
In real life today. For more episodes, exercises, and printables, visit www.synapse-lingo.com and come back tomorrow for another friendly boost.